Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag refrigerator flapper door with Mullion heater. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new flapper door with Mullion heater. The flapper door with Mullion heater helps the refrigerator door open and close, and it also has a heater on it to prevent condensation. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door's not opening and closing properly, or the heater's failed and you're getting moisture buildup on the doors. To change the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door, and the flapper door with the Mullion heater is mounted right here. In order to change it out, we're just going to open it up so we have access to the screw. Once you have it open, we're going to use the corners nut driver to take out the screw. Once you have the screw out, there's a mounting point on the bottom, the top, and in the middle there's some locking tabs that hold this big piece into the liner. In order to get it off, you just have to lift up on the door and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can grab the wiring harness and disconnect it. There's a little locking tab. You just have to squeeze it and pull the two apart. Once you have the wiring harness unplugged, you can pull it off the fridge. Here's the old flapper door with Mullion heater next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new flapper door in, we're going to connect the wiring harness. It comes clipped into these little holders right here. So we're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to release it and then plug it in, making sure you get a good connection and it locks. And then we're going to clip it back into that holder again. Once you have the wiring harness snapped in, we can mount the flapper door onto the liner. We're going to put the bottom mount on first, just to give it something to balance on. And then on the middle and the upper, we have to lift it up and make sure that these tabs get in there and it goes onto the upper hinge. So we're going to lift it up, make sure the tabs go in there, and drop it back down. Once you have it in place, we can use the corners nut driver to put in the screw. Once you have the screw in, we can close the flapper door. And if you want to take this sticker off, you can. Otherwise, just leave it on there. And then close the refrigerator door. Plug it back in. Take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.